What's up guys, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Today's project is this Poulan Pro leaf blower, and the problem is it won't start after years of storage. This residential blower hasn't been used much, so it's hard to think that there'd be problems already. Let's use a spark checker from Harbor Freight to see if we still have spark at least. And during our test, it ran for just a split second, so we know it will definitely run. If we look at the air filter, it's completely pristine, so we know that this isn't the reason why it's not running. However, if we look at the gas, we can see that things are not okay, and it seems to be a big reason why this thing will not start. Let's carefully pour out the old gas and examine it. And it looks more like red wine than gas. It might be worth it to just try and put fresh gas in and start it. I'm going to go ahead and pour some fresh 2-cycle gas in and then press the primer bulb thoroughly to flush out the old red wine out of the carburetor. And for once in my videos, it wasn't a carburetor issue. It was a simple matter of having old gas in the tank. It goes to show you that good diagnostic work can save you a lot of unnecessary work and cost. Thanks for watching Home Garage, and if you would, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you would, please check out my other videos. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.